Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Morris. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something special. The PlayStation Portal in the brand new midnight black color. If you're not familiar with the PS Portal already, this is PlayStation handheld streaming device. It lets you play your PS5 or cloud stream games away from your setup. There has been a ton of updates, making this almost its own standalone gaming device, giving that you have a stable connection. The Portal comes in the usual white and blue packaging with the image of the Portal on the front. Alright, let's actually hop in and open the box already. First up, we have the PlayStation Portal itself, and wow, that black finish looks so clean on it. It's a matte black with a subtle PlayStation logo on it, and it feels premium in the hand. The packaging itself is pretty simple. There isn't really much to find in here. Then of course there is the USB-C charging cable, and that's it. No power brick, which is a bit of a trend these days. Right away, the PlayStation Portal feels great in the hands. It's basically a DualSense controller with an 8-inch LCD screen in the middle, just like the white version, which means you get that familiar PlayStation feel, adaptive triggers, haptic feedback, and solid ergonomics. The midnight black color makes it look so much sleeker compared to the original white version. It's got a more modern and stealthy vibe, which I personally love. Now, don't get me wrong, I love the white version. It's more of a classic version, but I do have to say that the black version looks super neat. Here is how the midnight black color looks next to the original white Portal. I actually did a full review of the PS Portal on the channel if you want to check that out. The link is in the description. Now, setting up the PS Portal is super easy. When you turn it on, you'll be prompted to do an update. This update is just to briefly make sure the PS Portal is up to date with any latest software that's been released. After the update, you will need to log into your PSN account. This can be done either manually, but I prefer using my phone to do this. On your console, don't forget to change these settings. Go to Settings, then Remote Play, and turn it on. Also, turn on putting your PlayStation to sleep and being able to put it back on remotely. When you log in and scan the QR code, you can then choose your PlayStation to connect to if you have one. Now let's jump into some games and see how the black midnight version of the PS Portal performs. Alright, so there are many misconceptions out there about how you can actually use the PS Portal. The first way of using it is by remote playing your PS5 while you're away from your console. This means you can sign into your PS5 and play all the games you have installed on your console. You can do this both inside and outside of your house, as long as you have a stable internet connection. The other way to play games on the PS Portal is through the brand new cloud streaming. This is an update that we got a few months back for the PS Plus premium subscribers. It allows you to play hundreds of games without being signed into your console. This is awesome, and this means you can own a PS Portal and don't need to buy a PS5. The display on the PS Portal looks so crisp in its 8-inch LCD at 1080p 60 FPS. While it's not OLED, it still looks sharp and vibrant, and the combination of the black Portal with this screen is so clean. The connection feels solid so far. Of course, a good Wi-Fi network is key for remote playing. The haptics and adaptive triggers are working just like they do on the standard white version of the PS Portal. So guys, first impressions, the midnight black PS Portal looks absolutely amazing. It feels premium, and delivers that signature PlayStation experience in a portable form. Just like the white version, if you're deep into the PS ecosystem and love the idea of gaming away from your main screen, this is a great pickup, especially now with all the new updates. Personally, I'm torn between the white and the midnight black because they both look amazing side to side. Either case though, either if you go with the white, the anniversary, or the black one, you are not missing out by getting a PS Portal. It's absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.